Okay, example 212. Find the matrix for the reflection across the line y equals 7x and find the image of the rectangle shown. Okay, I copied the formula for the matrix down here. And I picked 7x because it's going to be reasonably nice as a number to use. Let's see, when we plug it in, we'll get, this will become 1 over 1 plus 7 squared. And then inside of here, both of these two m's are going to be 14. 1 minus m squared is going to be negative 48. And m squared minus 1 is going to be positive 48. So for this, we wind up getting, I'll come over here to write it. This is 1 over 50. Actually, I'll do it down here. 1 over 50 times negative 48, 14, 14, and 48. So I'm going to work this out on my calculator because I want this as a decimal number. And the fact that this is a 50 down here means it's going to be nice. Let's see, 48 over 50 is 0.96. This is 0.96. And then 14 over 50 is 0.28. All right, so that's the matrix we want. Now we need to apply it to this rectangle. And I'm going to erase all this stuff. And I'm going to get rid of this since we don't need it anymore. All right, so let's apply this to our rectangle. Let's see. Let's look at the different points we have here. We've got the origin at 0, 0. Then we've got this point here, which is 2, 0. We got this up here, which is 2, 1. Then this, which is 0, 1. All right, so I'm going to multiply those out, and that'll give us the image of this thing. So let's fire up Octave. Let's see, my transition matrix this time is negative 0.96, 0.28, 0.28, 0.96. And our points, I'm just going to call this B. There might be a better name for it. But our point matrix is 0, 2, 2, 0, and then 0, 0, 1, 1. All right, so now if I just do A times B, that will give us all of the coordinates of the images. You could put this into rational format, but it's better to have it like this, because if it's in rational format, it's going to wind up having, well, the fractions won't be as easy to deal with. So let's see, what is this? 0, 0, negative 1.92, 0.56, negative 1.64, 1.52, 0.28, and 0.96. All right, so let's graph them. All right, so 0, 0, I'm going to do all these in, I'll do all of them in bright green. 0, 0 maps to itself. Let's see, 2, 0 maps to almost negative 2, and then a little more than a half, so 0.56, let's just say it's roughly there. All right, then 2, 1 maps to negative 1.64. So a little more than halfway, 1.64, 1.52. 1.52, so somewhere there-ish. And then the last one, 0, 1, maps to 0.28, 0.96. So 0.28, let's see, that's at a half, so there-ish, 0.96, so about right there. And if if I connect these up, I get that for my image. I think that top dot might not be in exactly the right place. But anyway, it takes that rectangle and it flips it across this line here, which is the y equals 7x. So anyway, doing these types of things, if you use Octave or Calculate or whatever, it should be a pretty quick thing to do. All right, I think that'll do it for the reflections for now.